Steroglass's aWLife is the most advanced analysis instrument designed to simplify and enhance water activity analysis. In this video tutorial, we will guide you step by step through the analysis of a granulated pharmaceutical product. Step 1. Initialization. First, connect the power cable and switch on the instrument pressing the power button. When the device starts up, an informational pop-up appears on the display, followed by the home screen, featuring a clear and intuitive interface. Before proceeding, set the working temperature of the analysis chamber. The standard temperature is 25 degrees Celsius with a tolerance of plus or minus 1 degree. This means the instrument can start the analysis with the sample temperature between 24 degrees and 26 degrees Celsius. The instrument will automatically bring the sample to the correct temperature. Step 2. Calibration. Before each session, it is necessary to perform calibration by selecting the calibration type. The software will display all available standards to choose from. Next, place the selected standard in the analysis chamber and confirm to start calibration. Step 3. Analysis. Now we can prepare the samples. Distribute the product evenly inside the sample holder, then place it in the analysis cell. When the instrument is ready, press the Start button to begin the analysis. You will then be asked to give a name to the sample, and then the instrument will automatically bring the sample to the correct temperature. When this is reached, the analysis phase begins. The display shows a graph tracking and reading in real time. The system automatically performs a series of measurements until it obtains 3 consecutive values that are very close to one another, with an accuracy of 1/1000th. At the end of the analysis, a green light shows that it was successful. Press Finish, then remove the sample from the chamber. Thanks to the dew point sensor, aWLife ensures precise and reliable results in approximately 5 minutes. Step 4. Results. The results are automatically stored in the internal memory and can be viewed at any time. They can be exported by connecting a computer with the dedicated software, by using a USB flash drive, or a printer. After each analysis, it is recommended to clean the cell to have the instrument ready for future measurements. aWLife, the next generation of Steroglass instruments for water activity measurement.